Let me start this way. I rejoice that all the Gramans were able to be here today.
To welcome the King. I personally am very, very delighted that the King can be here with us today in Suriname. So, honoring the tradition, I ask that this special welcome for the King and my good feelings about him being here finally are specifically to the King, and we then can proceed with the meeting.
May one give
Ernest.
Don't mention your job.
Yes, thank you.
And it can be sewn into your photo.
Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
I want the seamstress to sew it. Thank you for the photo. Delegation.
Delegation.
Mr.
Charles.
Charles.
Mr. Charles.
Yes, Mr. Sagan.
Yes.
Colleagues asked me, how was your trip to Asante Kingdom 2019 when I came in? Majesty invited us. Charles knows. So I told them it was not that I recognized Surinamese nature. It was so, but not that I didn't go for that. It was not about diplomacy for me also. It was more spiritual. Because the places that I went and I saw, you see, when you come somewhere, then you directly feel a certain sense of belonging. And I told from my mother's side also. So I know there are roots, so all these things make you feel a little belonging. And but the ceremony that we made, and Misikama was also in that mission, or the Minister of Health, that is now, he was also in that mission. That ceremony was so extravagant. It was an honor for us to be there. And President Bouters at that time asked us to go. It was a national issue. And he said, but you should go with the delegation, and we went to the delegation. The first time I wore something like this, it was a little bit heavy. I did not expect it to be a little bit. But it was an honor for us. And now again you honor us with coming here. I hope we had a good rest. If it would be possible to stay a weekend, see all the Gramans, all our Gramans, we have 6 Chiefs? Oh, you talk to the Grandmas also?
Paramount Chiefs. The Paramount Chiefs.
Paramount Chiefs, yes. I hope you have talked to them. I think they can share your wisdom and your guidance. They need the guidance. Culturally, spiritually, they need the guidance. And if they see somebody from your stature and from the descent, I think that they will be inspired as well. So thank you, thank you for being with us. And as I promised, I will be there. And you only have to say, come, and I'm taking the next flight. There are three groups. We have the purple hawk, we have the brown hawk, and the yellow cabbage. They also call it yellow cabbage. It is written here. And they all have a special smell, but there are three of the strongest fruits that we have here in Suriname. And this is, of course, the indigenous that were first in Suriname. But these three are the woods that we want to present to you.
Mr. Speaker, I have the honor and pleasure on behalf of the King to adorn you one more time with the Kente cross. This is a Biniso. That's design upon design.
Yes.
It shows the level of prominence that we are present in society.
Yes.
And to give you the spiritual connection between the good self, people of Suriname, and the people of Asante and Ghana for that matter. At that time, we put this on to remind you of the connections to the King and to Africa. You have the phone right on that.
He knows what to do.
Which one? This?
No.
Maybe as you said, maybe he can turn for the picture moment.
You see, I told you it was Thank
Let's
you.
go to the speaker's chair.
Maybe the authority by itself.